Setting up your affiliate marketing system. There is much speculation about how much money you can earn online without your own product. Marketing your own digital product on the internet can be very lucrative, but there is no reason why you cannot profit a great deal by using creative methods that offer real value to internet surfers and have your own product as well. An affiliate program is really not as difficult to set up as you may think. Thanks to the high demand for affiliate systems recently, there are now lots of ways to set up your own program. Here's what you need to set one up: a website with your own domain name. At least one product or service that you own completely. A system to handle commission tracking and payment. That sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? Well, actually it is. And it's getting easier all the time. The first two items listed above are self-explanatory. Of course, you need your own website and your own product or service. You can't very well set up an associate program if you don't own the site or the products you will be promoting. If you have not taken these two steps, you'll need to do them first. Once you've managed to get by these two steps, you can move right to step 3, setting up your program. You will need to search the internet for a system that will handle commission tracking and payment. You can try to do this yourself, but you will most likely miss some, and missed ones are missed income. There are free ones, as well as paid ones. The positive aspects of an associate management system are many. You can sign on associates more rapidly and grow a larger force of resellers. You'll enjoy the automation and online management of affiliates. These systems provide full sales statistics for both you and your associates.